Alright guys, I'm here with our Jayco Greyhawk, and what we're going to do is the 31F. I've got a LCI electronic leveling system. We're going to zero it out or calibrate it. So I'm in my warehouse on the concrete. I know the concrete's pretty level, so I'm starting in a location that I know is very level, but I did put the jacks down, and I already know that the passenger side is a little low, because usually when we set up you can see it. So what I did is I went in and manually, I actually had it level itself, get it to where it thought was level, put the levels in, and then went through and manually lifted the right side. So got it all into position, got it level, and now we're going to go through the sequence to zero out the system. The system is on, and I've leveled out everything, so it's blinking at me because it thinks it's off. So I'm going to turn the system completely off now. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the front button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do the rear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to hit enter to engage that. And there you go. That's how you do it. It's that simple, that quick. We're going to go out camping this weekend. We'll see if the rig looks level, but pretty simple to do. I wish I would have done it sooner. We've had this rig for about 4 years. It's always been a little off. So we'll see how it does once the sides are out, but it's that simple to do, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit comment, hit subscribe, and check out a lot of our other videos. Thanks, guys.